Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about how to be patient in your network marketing business. Now this can also go for if you're in an affiliate marketing business where you're promoting the company, you're promoting the business opportunity. It can also go for direct sales. Alright, now before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just click the bell icon next to it. Now on my screen here is the business that I'm promoting, and if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to take a look at that business. If you're not in a business opportunity already and you're looking for one, check that out. But what I want to talk about is how to be patient. And a couple of days ago I made a video about being consistent in your online business and why that's one of the keys to success. The other key to success is being patient. Okay? Now, most people, when they get started in a business opportunity, most of them fail because they give up too soon. They start the opportunity, they put their money into it, they work it for a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, they haven't made any money, they quit and give up. And they say they'll call it a scam, or they say, well, this isn't for me, I can't make any money, you know, I don't have a large following, I don't have this, I don't have these skills, whatever, and they quit and give up. And they give up before they've had a chance to actually make any money in the business. And the reason is that in this day and age we live in a very instant gratification type world where we want things instantly. So when we get started in an online business, which is far cheaper than starting like a brick and mortar business, for instance, a McDonald's franchise can cost you like $1 million, and then you have to go through McDonald's University to learn how to work the business and everything, and you have all of these other additional costs associated with it, and it could take like 5 years before you turn a profit in your franchise. And with an online business, there's a very low barrier to entry. You know, a lot of online businesses, especially with network marketing, affiliate marketing, you can get started for just either a few $100s or a couple of $1,000s, and that's it. That's not a lot of money when you're starting your own business. And of course there might be recurring costs, but they're very low. So there's a very low barrier of entry when it comes to an online business, which means that a lot of people who don't have a business mindset get involved. They still have that employee mindset, and they think that when they start a business and they do some work in it, that they should get paid right away for the work that they're doing. And you know, they just put in the minimum effort and then they expect to start making money quickly. And that's not how it works. You know, some people, it may work that way for some people. They may have a large following on YouTube, on Facebook. They may have a large email list already. You know, they've already done most of the work, you know, years ago to get to the point where they have thousands and tens of thousands of people following them on social media and in their email. So they're able to just send out an email and a percentage of people will sign up with them in their new business. Or they make one video on YouTube and some of the people subscribed to their YouTube channel will sign up in their business. Or they have a large following on Facebook or Instagram or both, and a certain number of people who are following them on those platforms sign up to their business opportunity. So that's how they're able to make money. Now for the rest of us who don't have a large following, we have to put more work and effort into it, and we have to do certain activities over a longer period of time before we start seeing positive results in our business. You know, I had a woman reply to one of my emails that I sent out. I basically said that, you know, in the email that if you do such and such and such, and I gave these steps, and you do it over and over again on a consistent basis, eventually you'll start seeing positive results in your business. And she replied to that email talking about eventually, how long is it going to take? I need to make money now. I need to make money immediately. I don't want to wait weeks or months to make money. I replied back to her that this is a business and it's going to take time for you to make money in a business. If you need money like right away, then go get a job. Because, that's what you really want is a job. You don't want a business. If you want like now money, right now money, it's not going to happen. It takes time to build a business, and sometimes it can be slow. I like to be real with people, and I like to tell the truth. I don't like to be all hypey and stuff. Some other people, they'll do that, talking about you can make $30,000 per month in 90 days. I don't do stuff like that. I tell people the truth. You have to be able and willing to work in your business, and it doesn't have to take a long time. I have a full-time job. I work this business part-time. I put more hours in on the weekends on my days off, but during the work week, I work a couple hours a day. That's it. And anybody can do that. Find just 2-3 hours a day to work your business. You can work it in the evening, or you can work it early in the morning before work. But you got to find some time to do it. And you just do certain activities. These are called income producing activities. You do certain activities every single day on a consistent basis. Even if you're not seeing results yet, you got to be patient. The results will come. You just have to be patient and keep doing those income producing activities over and over and over and over again, being consistent. Just like what I talked about in my previous video. So, first thing you need to do in order to be patient in your network marketing business or affiliate marketing business, you need to treat your business like a business, not like a hobby. Okay? So, you need to set up a time schedule of when you're going to work your business every day. So, if you work like for instance, I work a full-time job, I start working on my business, like I come home from work, I'll eat dinner, and then after I eat dinner, I start working my business. 2 hours, maybe 3 hours a day, depending on what I'm doing. 2 to 3 hours a day in the evening. Okay. Now, people who have a family, they got kids, and you got to take the kids to places, and you got a lot of other commitments. Then you're going to have to find time, either in between those commitments or after those commitments, to work on your business. You might have to stay up later than you want to. Okay? Cut out the TV time. I got rid of cable. Okay? So I got rid of cable, and I don't miss it at all. Alright? I still have Netflix, but I only watch Netflix like on the weekends. Okay? Because on the weekends, like today is Saturday, I do my work earlier in the day, get it out the way, and then I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. So in the evening, I can watch Netflix. Okay? So because I've already done my work for that day. So, but, for you, you're going to have to cut out the TV. That doesn't mean that you don't watch TV at all ever again. If you have a DVR or something, or some type of DVR service, you can record your shows, your favorite shows during the week. Watch them on the weekend after you finish doing your work in your business. That's what I do. Alright? So, and also, when you cut out cable, that saves you some money. And you can use that money to invest in your business. Either to upgrade to a higher level in your business, or to pay for traffic, buying a solo ad once a week or something. You can use that money to put into your business instead of putting into a bunch of channels that you're not even watching anyway. Okay? And trust me, once you get used to not having the cable, you're not going to miss it. Alright? And again, make sure you have a scheduled time, 2 to 3 hours to work on your business every evening. Okay? If you can't do 3 hours, 2 hours is fine. 2 hours is more than enough time to work on your business. Okay? And stick to that schedule. And let people know, your family, your friends, let them know to not disturb you during that time that you're working in your business. Okay? Because I've had to deal with that myself. And it throws you off your game. You get to a point where people are calling you or texting you or wanting you to do this or that, and then before you know it, it's like 11 o'clock at night and you haven't done anything. So make sure that you stick to your schedule and let your family and friends know not to disturb you during that time unless it's an emergency. Income producing activities. I talked about this a lot. I talked about it in my last video. The income producing activities with an online business is driving traffic to your offer, to your opportunity, whatever. Building your email list and following up. Oops, sorry about that. Following up with your leads on your list, okay? Here's the reason why you want to do that, okay? This goes into the patience part, being patient in your network marketing business. When you drive traffic to your offer, paid traffic, free traffic, doesn't matter. The whole thing is to generate leads, to get leads to go on your email list. And the reason why you want to do that is because 99%, sometimes and more than likely 100% of the people that go to your offer and see that video presentation page for the first time, they're not going to sign up in your opportunity that first time they see it. They need to see your offer several times before they make the decision, okay, I'm going to join this person in this business. That's why you need to build an email list, because you need a way to contact your leads over and over and over again and reintroduce them to your offer over and over and over again. They need to see your offer 7, 8, 10, 15 times. People can be on your email list for months before they decide to join you in your business. Like the business I'm in now, it took months before I decided to join that person in this particular business. I was on their email list for months. I was subscribed to their YouTube channel for a year, okay, before I decided to join them in this business. All right. And the reason why it takes people a while to join you in your business and they have to see your offer over and over and over again is because of this next part, the know, like, and trust factor. This is what you're doing with your email list. You're developing the know, like, and trust factor with your leads. What this basically breaks down to is that people have to get to know who you are. People don't join businesses. People don't join systems. What they join are people. People join people. Make sure you keep that in your head. People join people. The more that people get to know you, then they'll start liking you. The more they like you, then they will develop that trust factor with you. And that's when they decide to join you in your business opportunity. Okay? So if they don't know who you are, they're not going to join you. That's why you have to keep contacting these people over and over and over again so they get to know who you are. That's why I make YouTube videos, so people can see me and they can hear me and they know what I'm talking about, that I'm providing value to people, helping people to make money online, giving them business tips and strategies that I've learned, that I'm putting into practice, and I give them to you. That develops the know part. People are getting to know who I am. When I send out an email, what's called a broadcast email to my list, I do that practically every day. I always have a profile picture of myself in those emails, so they get to see who I am. So I'm not some nameless or faceless person on the internet. They see what I look like. I put my email I got my email address, I got my Facebook profile page link in the emails so they can go to my Facebook profile. They can see what I'm posting about. And what they're going to see on my profile page is that I'm posting a lot of positive stuff, uplifting stuff. Sometimes I'll post my YouTube video there of my trainings and stuff. Okay, so they're seeing that I'm posting positive, uplifting, inspirational stuff on my Facebook profile page. I'm not posting negative stuff, politics, religion, cussing people out, inflammatory stuff on my profile page, not safe for work type stuff on my page. They're not seeing any of that crap on there. They're seeing positive stuff on there. So that's another way for them to get to know who I am. And they can friend me on Facebook and message me if they have any questions about my business. I'm more than willing to answer their questions. They can reply to my emails. I'll respond back if they have, with whatever answers I have for their questions. Okay. So again, the more they get to know who you are, the more they'll start liking you. And the more they like you, then they'll start developing that trust with you. And that is when they make the decision to join you in your business. I can't tell you how long this will take, this no less like and trust factor. I don't know how long that will take. But eventually you'll start seeing positive results in your business if you do this consistently, okay, on a consistent basis. Consistency and patience go together. Those are the two things that will create success in your business. So you need to be patient when it comes to these leads, okay? If they're opening up your emails and they're reading your emails and sometimes clicking on your links to find out more about your business, then, keep communicating with them. Email them every day. All right? And allow this know, like, and trust factor to develop over time. And eventually, you'll start seeing those positive results in your business. You'll start getting signups in your opportunity, and you'll start earning those commissions. Most people, they give up after a few weeks or even after a couple of months. It took me a month and a half to earn my first commission. I know a 7-figure earner in one of the businesses that I'm in. That 7-figure earner, when he first got started online, it took him 13 months to make $25. Okay? All right? That's because he didn't really know what he was doing. But if you get plugged into a business system that shows you exactly what to do, then it's not going to take you 13 months just to make $25. All right? Okay? If you plug yourself into a business system that helps you to develop your income producing activities, how to do that, how to drive traffic to your offer, where to get the traffic, how to follow up with your leads, how to develop that know, like, and trust factor, and how to be consistent, then you should start seeing positive results in your business in a matter of a short time. Like I said, it's not going to take you 13 months just to make $25. Okay? Do this for 90 days. Test it out for yourself. Do it for 90 days. Give yourself a 90-day challenge of doing all of this for 90 days and see what kind of results you're getting in your business at that time. All right? So if you're not in a business opportunity yet and you're looking to join one, again, you can go ahead and check out the one that I'm in. Just go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to check that business out. All right? Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.